Tokyo sure is scary.
There's always been another world up there in the sky.
Mending the ailing weather is the charge of the weather maker. A special girl with the ability to gather the people's wishes and deliver them to the heavens. Everything comes with a price. A tragic fate awaits the weather maker.
God, if you really exist, then I beg you. This is more than enough. We don't need anything else. We'll manage somehow. So please, don't throw anything more at us.
I'm a human sacrifice. The maiden gets sacrificed, then her body disappears. After that, weather goes back to normal. The more I pray for sunshine, the more my body fades away. But if I end up dying from this, we'll finally get our summers back. Take care of them.
No! I won't!
If you could fix this crazy weather with one human sacrifice, I'd be fine with it.
Tokyo sure is scary.